What's more complicated than a company shutting down only to re-emerge a year later under its old name? Let's talk about the incredible comeback story of Bitwala, a company that was once Nuri and is now, well, Bitwala again. This isn't just about a name change, it's a complete business overhaul. Bitwala, the crypto banking app, went through a very public and painful bankruptcy as Nuri. Now, it's back. But what's different this time? How did they manage to pull this off, and what can we learn from this journey? To understand the relaunch, you first have to grasp the original story. The company was founded in 2014 as Bitwala with a clear goal: to make it easy to buy, sell, and spend crypto in Europe. They quickly gained traction by offering a seamless way to use a traditional German bank account to interact with Bitcoin and Ethereum. But then, in 2021, they rebranded as Nuri, with a grander ambition to become a full-fledged neobank that included crypto services. They offered features like an interest-earning Bitcoin product, which was a huge draw. But this expansion came with risks. In 2022, the crypto market collapsed. The implosion of major crypto projects like Terra/Luna and the bankruptcy of their lending partner, Celsius, hit Nuri hard. They filed for insolvency, and it seemed like the end of the road. But here's the crucial part: despite the insolvency, user funds were held in a partner bank, Solaris Bank, and were never at risk. This allowed the company to liquidate and shut down without the catastrophic customer losses seen with other exchanges like FTX. So how did Bitwala, or rather the team behind Nuri, manage a comeback? The answer lies in two key things: a new business model and a new strategic partnership. Instead of trying to be a full-service bank again, the new Bitwala has returned to its roots. The relaunched app focuses exclusively on its core product, a simple, secure crypto wallet that allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum with euros. They've shed the complex and capital-intensive banking ambitions that led to Nuri's downfall. This new, more focused approach is less about becoming a bank and more about being the best crypto on/off-ramp possible. The second part of the equation is its partnership with Striga, a company that provides compliant banking and crypto-as-a-service infrastructure. This is the real game-changer. By partnering with Striga, Bitwala gets all the necessary technical and regulatory infrastructure to operate, things like virtual IBANs and a Visa debit card, without the massive overhead and regulatory burden of managing it themselves. This shift from a full-stack, vertically integrated company to a more streamlined service provider is a sign of maturity in the crypto industry. It's an admission that sometimes, it's better to focus on what you're good at and outsource the rest. The Bitwala relaunch isn't just a feel-good story, it's a case study in adaptability. It highlights the importance of focusing on a core product. Bitwala learned a hard lesson that being everything to everyone can be a recipe for disaster. The new model is lean, focused, and directly addresses the primary needs of crypto users. Strategic partnerships. By working with a third-party service like Striga, they've sidestepped the very issues that sank their previous venture. This kind of collaboration could be the future for many fintech and crypto startups. Self-custody and security. The fact that Nuri's customer funds were safe during its insolvency has become a cornerstone of the new Bitwala's brand. They are now actively promoting self-custody and trust, a critical message in a post-FTX world. The new app even offers a self-custody wallet, putting users in full control of their crypto. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.